Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Recently, Tom at Gin Industries sent out a kangaroo strop with a bottle of liquid diamond, polydiamond spray, 0.10 micron, equivalent 160,000 grit. If you've seen the video on it, you saw the results and know how pleased I was. I believe Tom was impressed with the demonstration and wanted to send out the Nano Strop. I asked him to send a polydiamond emulsion that is 0.025 micron, 600,000 grit, to test it with. I told him I was going to test it with the Nano Strop against a horse butt strop, both with the same emulsion on it. In this video you will see two Italian-made stilettos, factory edge, never been put on a stone. Went ahead and made that part of it, and after I did it, I felt like it was just too much of a jump from the factory edge. So I put both of them on the Work Sharp Professional Precision Adjust at 21 degrees. I started with the 600 plate, went up to the 800 plate, and lastly the ceramic plate. Everything was done equally on both knives. This was one more test everyone could get a better understanding of how everything performed. This is what you're going to see at the beginning of the video. Took this one, did it on a Nano Strop. Took this one, did it on a horse butt strop. And this one was one that I had put on the Arkansas stones. I used this one and went to Nanos. You can see what it would do. This way everyone can see the difference between diamond stones, Arkansas stones, the Nano Strop, horse butt strop, and the emulsions. Now we'll get into the rest of the video. What I want to do today, I'm going to put this stiletto on this one. Then I'm going to take this one and put it on this horse butt strop with the same emulsion. That way everyone can see how they perform and they can come to their own conclusion. Now before we start, I'm going to show everyone what the edge of this blade looks like. Straight out of a box. It has been hit on the Boone Slick strop. Now, to show everyone, you take this very light, it's minimum on the strop. Lay it down. This is one of those you can hold it in your hand or lay it flat. So I've got open hand. We're going to see where we are. Just 10 strokes across this strop. And to show everyone, one extra stroke sometimes will either make it or break it. See the difference? We're going to put about 10 more on this. Now I'm gonna run it across a bare horse butt strop. Now we'll see what we have on this. Cuts well. Now we'll take this other one and we'll put it on this strop. Same compound. I'm doing a lot of testing on all these strops and compounds. I've been pleased with these. That's 10. 10 more, I'll put it on a bare, then we've got an even comparison. And remember, this had been on the other strop first. And I'm going to show you one that was put on Arkansas stones all the way up through the surgical. I'll put it on the 0.10 diamond spray, and then I'll put it on the Nano strop and thawed with a bare horse butt. I'll show you what this does. I just wanted to see what it would do on a factory edge that's never been put on a stone. This goes to show you, the more work you put in one, the finer edge you will get. Now we're going to sit down and have a few final words. Well, I hope this demonstration has shown everyone the capabilities of this Nano strop and this diamond emulsion, as well as what everyone saw about the kangaroo strop and the diamond spray. This is 4 times finer than what this is. Everyone can see the results. I encourage everyone to go to the Gen website, pick out some stuff. Tom has a vast assortment of strops and different compounds and emulsions. These will work great. I do recommend putting something on a stone first if you let it go too far. But this is a good comparison. There'll be a link to the Gen website in the description box below. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.